Hey, Legacy Traders, it's the one, the only Tim Key with Option Legacy. It's time for Transparency Tuesday. Here we go. Total gains for today is $749. Or in a $10,000 account, that is around a 7.5% return on investment in one day. Isn't that crazy? It is crazy because it's not true. This gotcha. Chipotle Mexican Grill has a bug. Option House has a bug reporting these numbers. You can see here, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Don't ask me what that is. This long call is up by 637 or 400% in one day. That's not right. You go over to CMG. We look at my position in November monthly. This call here, it says $500 is its value. And this one is 2, and this one 2, and these down here too. So something's fluked over here in this long position. It should be something like maybe $30, 0.3 or something like that. So going back to performance, well, this one here, going back to performance, let's take out this, like, we'll call this 550 and we'll call this 750. That's about a $200 gain. I think it's closer to about a $180 gain. However, what I wanted to make this Transparency Tuesday about was all about perspective. It's all about perspective. If $180 does not get you excited, that's okay. I understand. It doesn't really get me excited, but let's break down what a $180 gain today means. Take $180 today, that's my gains, divide that by $10,000. That's how much my account started with. That equals a 1.8% return on investment in one day. Guys, did you know that there's on average 21 trading days in a month? And do you know how many days or trading days are in a year? 252. So let's do that. 252 times 100. That is a 453% annual return on investment. Woo! That's crazy. $180 doesn't get you excited, but what about a 453% return on investment for a year? That will get you excited. That is sexy. That is huge. That is shiny. That is exciting, exhilarating, awesome. However, we know that not every day is an up day. So let's just break that down in half. Boom, 226% return on investment with the kind of gains that we got today in our portfolio. Man, you throw that into a compound equation and you look at what you can get in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years with consistent, small, healthy gains day after day, year over year, and man, numbers get crazy quick. So even though Chipotle Mexican Grill is off by 562, let's say this is a wash, take that away from this number here, about $180 gain in a $10,000 account or 1.8% return on investment is a crazy deal, and I'll take that day over day. And that happens through small, consistent, over and over and over trades. And then we know that some lose, and some lose, and some lose. And we rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Small, consistent gains, and that's what makes a legacy trader. That you're able to build a legacy of wealth through the small, high probability, consistent gains. So guys, on the market, you could check this out. SPY, let's do that. Chart. Today it threw a doji to the upside, and then you can see the aftermarket's at a negative 0.16. That's about a 5-point loss for the S&P 500. Or maybe about a 4-point loss of the aftermarkets. So we can expect this thing to maybe have a little bit of retracement, a little bit to the downside move, as the politics and all that stuff kind of figures itself out. I expect tomorrow to be a down day, maybe even a significant down day. As we know, Wednesdays are very volatile. They're either very high or they're very low in movements. They move really high up or they move really down low. Big volatile movements. So keep your head on straight, keep that perspective, keep that patience, trust the process, and keep trading. Happy Tuesday. Till next time, guys.